Hi friends, good morning. Here is a Vipra.
Hi.
Today is a Saturday and we are going to go to Mumbai. We are having a special plan to have our lunch at a special place. So stay with us. I will show you where I am going. And I am on the expressway, so wearing a mask. In Maharashtra, it's mandatory to wear mask in a car, so cannot remove it. You know this toll plaza. It is the first toll plaza on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. You can check this in my video of Ro Ferry. That Ro Ferry is my first video.
We stopped at a food mall after Talegaon Toll Plaza for our first short break.
Washrooms are quite clean on this food mall, which is the first food mall when we are coming from Pune to Mumbai after first toll plaza. Here there is a German bakery and HP company owned petrol pump. So we have filled the diesel and now we are going to go to Mumbai. On this stop there is a HP owned EVC station. Then PUC free air is also available.
After filling our tummy as well as Scorpios, we started our journey. Our destination is still 80 km from here. See the beautiful view of Khandala Ghat. Inside here you can see Duke's Nose. One day we will definitely go there for trekking. Finally we reached Mumbai, now on Airoli Bridge. It is constructed to establish a direct link between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. You can see a beautiful view of city from this bridge. This weekend we are going to have our lunch at a very special place, that is a great hotel, Tip Top, as I heard. Oh, Tip Top means excellent, superior, which they serve grand thali. Let's confirm. Oh, well sanitization system is there before entering.
So now here we are entering in a tip-top grand Thali Plaza. So Vipra is here.
Nice ambience, spacious, it appears neat and clean.
Today we came here to have their thali. So let's test it. Then I'll tell you.
Mr. Nirav, who is a manager over there, who welcomed us and offered a table. The staff is friendly, all servers are wearing hand gloves along with mask and following COVID-19 guidelines and protocol. They are taking utmost care of hygiene. Look at this big plate. It is having 7 bowls inside. Their servers are ready to serve the food and Vipra has seen the plate and say, "Oh my God." They are having very fast service and it is very systematic too. Within 5 minutes my whole plate is full. Along with that I received 2 to 3 dessert, you can see here.
दे आर सर्विंग पूरन पोली करेंगे. ये है कोशिंबीर,
ये मिर्ची लगता है.
मिर्ची का अचार. देन दिस इज अ
पापड़
पापड़, दही वड़ा,
गुजराती दाल,
गुजराती दाल,
गुजराती कड़ी,
कड़ी,
पंचरत्न दाल,
दाल पंचरत्न दाल,
भिंडी संबारिया,
भिंडी. देन दिस वन इज
सुरती उंदियो,
सुरती उंदियो,
पनीर,
पनीर,
मटकी,
मटकी उसळ. देन पुरणपोळी, पुरी,
ढेपला पूरी, ढेपरा ढेपला,
ढेपला.
जी,
ओके.
मलाई ढोकला,
मलाई ढोकला,
कोन टिक्की,
कोन टिक्की, अँड बटर मिल्क,
ड्राई फ्रूट मावा,
ड्राय फ्रूट मावा,
बासुंदी.
बासुंदी. And this is a welcome
Kokum
drink.
sarbat.
Kokum sarbat. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So here we are going to enjoy this thali. So many items along with this chapati came. They have kept the sanitizer on each and every table. So let's start. We are going to enjoy this thali. Vipra is going to enjoy this thali. Hi friends, now we are going to enjoy this thali. I am going to taste it and will tell you how it is.
They served me hot puri and the meal was very tasty.
Now we started with the rice and the food is really tasty. Thumbs up from us.
So you can see this is a very big restaurant. Here, this is the compartment. Here there is their cash counter. So they provide it through the Zomato also you can order. But I'm from Pune, so it's not possible for me. Come and enjoy. I can only come and enjoy it here. So Vipra and myself enjoy the food.
After having mukhwas, we said bye-bye to the restaurant. Though our today's plan became expensive due to traveling from Pune to Thane, approximate 165 km and vice versa. In total, 330 km plus diesel cost, tolls on to and fro along with the 8-hour journey. Still, we are contented and delighted due to quality and quantity of unlimited hygienic food served here. I advise to all whenever you are around the Thane, please enjoy unlimited quality food at Hotel Tip Top Grand Thali. Thanks for watching.